Hello, lovely audience. Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in Twitter by date. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to search by date into Twitter, you just simply have to open your Twitter application in your desktop or any web browser, because you cannot search by date into your Twitter application on phone. In order to do that, first of all, just simply search for x.com into your browser, and after searching x.com, it will open the site of Twitter. Now, just simply log into your Twitter account and then click on this magnifier icon right here. After clicking on the magnifier option, it will open the search tab. Click into the search tab and search for whatever you want to search in here. Then, after that, you just simply have to click on these three dots in the top right, and from there, you will get this option of advanced search. Click into that and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then, you can choose the date. You just simply have to enter the date that you want to add in here. After setting from a date to a date, you can easily search by clicking on this search tab right here. Then, you will get your results by the date. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.